Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the new Ipsy bag for the month of January. We're just gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna be showing you guys the products I received. I last month I did the Ipsy Glam bag, but I downgraded again to the $10 ones and see just to then later on I'll add it again for the 25 and see what changes we could see on that. But yeah, we're gonna, as always, you know, we always receive the pink package. I should change my shirt because this doesn't go. Let me just change my shirt, okay? And I'll be right back. Yeah, this is better than before. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing the new Ipsy bag. So let's go ahead and get started. It's gonna be just a quick video. So this is the bag we received. It's like a small Ipsy bag with stripes. Really cute. I love these bags. They're amazing because you can usually I usually use it for like travel and like when I put my little stuff for the bathroom, for the shower and stuff like that. So this is perfect for traveling. I have a bunch. I might give some away when I start doing more giveaways. I'll put some goodies inside and I just give it out because there are a lot. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for a long time, so but yeah, remember the Ipsy subscription is only $10 a month. Every first of the month it is charged from your account. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We got a pamphlet this time with new year, more products, more focus on you. So they have a lot of stuff that they added to the. This is the palette I got on the Glam, and this one too. So these two products I got on my last Glam in December. I'm gonna put the video right there so you guys can check it out. I think it was like I liked it, but I didn't like it, so I'm gonna wait a little more and then subscribe again and see. But it's not that bad. I think it's $24 for this one compared to the Glam, to the Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm is $21. Ipsy is $25 for the Glam Bag Plus. But yeah, it's the same thing. You get full-size products. But for the $10 subscription, it's all size, travel sizes stuff, just like a little thingy, like a little small product so you can try it out. Sometimes you do get full-size stuff depending on what it is, like if it's an eyeliner, if it's a mascara, it just depends on the product. So let's go ahead. First thing we got is 2 masks. I love these because you can just use these whenever you want. These ones are from, let's see, what's the company name? Jehu? I don't know what's the name. It's called AMI Cosmetics. AMI Cosmetics. Sheet mask and chill, purifying sheet mask, and hydrating sheet mask. This one is for hydrating. This is purifying. So these are good. I like these. Who doesn't mind mask? They're always good. Next product I received is a coloring pencil lip crayon from Ilamasqua. Not sure how to pronounce that, but that is the. Let's gonna open it. This is a lip crayon. This is for the lips. Could have been perfect for this look. It's right there. This one right there. Not bad. See, this one is a really full-size product. So this is not bad. That we don't mind. Now let's open. Let's see. So what we got is here. We got an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from Ico London. I think I already received a product from them a while back, but I got a thicker one. Yeah, see, this is the one I received a long time ago, but it's really thick, so I don't really use it that much. So this is, I don't mind eyeliners. You see, that is the eyeliner there. This we like. And Ico London, it's waterproof lash enchanting. Really good, really good. Next product we received is Ella Eden London. It's a press eyeshadow. See if we can open this. So since I'm not doing a look with this, we can open it and try it on and do a swatch. Wow, that is super pretty right there. That's a pretty color. Usually on the Ipsy you get like little samples like this with eyeshadows, which don't mind, but I don't use the eyeshadows much. I should use those eyeshadows more often. Then we got the Balm Cosmetics. I have a bunch of these. This is a blush. This we don't mind. This is the first time I get a blush like this. Usually it's like a little tiny one. And this is Alternative Rock Bare Medium. This is the color for that. Really pretty, like a really light color. I don't know if you can see that right there. Really like pink. We love this. This is a blush. I have like a what is it? Like a little stack with like the sample stuff. And that's it, guys. That is all we received for the month. So that's it, guys. That's all the things we received for the month of January for the Ipsy bag. I decided to do something small, and because we didn't get like a full size stuff. I could have done a makeup look, but let's just save the makeup looks for other palettes. This is just an unboxing. So yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed, the link of my Ipsy bag is in the bottom of this info right here. You can subscribe if you want. It's only $11. It's only $10 even, and it's charged every first of the month. I'm not sure if they ship everywhere, but they do to United States, Puerto Rico, and I'm not sure if what other states they are shipping. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time for the next video.